This is the unboxing and product review for the Cable Matters Super Speed USB 3.0 card reader. And as you see, the packaging is clear, so you can obviously see what the contents are. It's just the card reader itself. On the front of the packaging, it gives you a brief overview of the card types: SD, micro SD, or aka TF, and USB transfer speed is 3.0, and it gives you an overview of the operating systems that it uses. So it has a minimum of Windows 98 up to 7, XP, or 8, and it also supports Mac and Linux. And on the back of the package, you will just see the product information that gives you some very detailed specification as far as the size, weight, and other pertinent information. So with only one object inside the box or item, it's just the card reader itself. On the front, there's a small porthole, which is a subtle blue LED notification light when the unit is plugged up into a USB port, and it's just subtle blue, so it's small enough to illuminate but not overly bright like some other card readers out there in the market. So it just has two ports. The first is the TF port, or the aka micro SD slot, and then you have a full-size SD slot. So it's a rather basic device, real basic in design, but just because it's basic does not mean that it is not efficient. It's very efficient and effective at what it does. It's very light in the hand, as you can see here, compared to a standard tube of chapstick. It's not much taller, and really about 1.5, almost twice as thick, but very thin. And the only thing to it is just two parts, just the card reader itself and just the cap. Cap's very light. You can see the blue color here denoting that it is a USB 3.0 device. So it works great. I use it all the time, especially when I'm uploading the videos. For instance, the one I'm taking now, I get much faster transfer speed, and it cuts my data transfer speed, I won't say in half, but it cuts a sizable amount off of it. For me, your mileage might vary depending on how large or how small the file is that you're transferring. But for me, I normally just transfer my videos that I upload for you guys, and you're looking at anywhere from 800 megs to 1.7 gigs. So it transfers pretty fast. I'm getting at a minimum of 30 megabytes per second on my transfer speed. So definitely makes my transfer speed a lot faster. Like I say, your mileage might vary, but very simple but very effective product. 5 out of 5 stars.